Hello everyone, welcome to our kitchen. Today we are making a simple stir fry, the stir-fried beef and mushroom cubes. Here are the ingredients. I'm using the short rib here. You can also use regular steaks. Also, 2 kinds of mushrooms, scallion and garlic. For the meat, I'm going to cut it into thick slices first, then cut into small cubes. For 400 grams of meat, I'm using half tablespoon of dark soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of regular soy sauce for marinating. I also added some black pepper and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix everything well first. Then add some oil to seal in the moisture and mix well again. Let the meat marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to cut the garlics into small cubes as well. Chop up the scallions and dice the mushrooms. For cooking, we're going to saute the beef cubes first. Once we don't see any red color on the beef cubes, we can add the garlics and saute the garlic flavor into the beef. After a minute or so, take the beef cubes out of the wok. With the remaining oil in the wok, I'm going to saute the mushroom cubes. If there isn't enough oil, I can always add some extra. Once the mushrooms start to soften, I can season it with a pinch of salt and mix it well. Finally, I'm adding the beef cubes back and start stir-frying everything together. I'm going to add some black pepper and sugar to enhance the flavor. Finally, add the scallions and finish the final stir-frying. This is a simple stir-frying dish, which the beef cubes are tender and the mushrooms are a little crunchy. I hope you can give this a try and enjoy it with your family and friends. If you like our videos, don't forget to like and share. Thank you for watching. See you next time.